here's a little slideshow of the work we performed for Dave. Now, this boat had severely dry and delaminated fabric. It had a lot of what Joe calls cobblestones on there, just these bumpy pieces that had to be sanded off. Boat only had 2 leaks when it came in, but that fabric was a disaster, and we knew we were going to need to paint. So we removed the cobblestones, planned out where our patches were going to go, lifted a bunch of accessories, got everything patched, sealed, and then we prepped for our paint job.